Hi, I'm Richard Hall from BottomLine Lawyers. We're a firm in Auburn, and we serve the Sacramento area with bankruptcy, estates, and tax resolution. And many of the prospects that I talk with want to know more about the bankruptcy process. So today, that's what I'm going to talk about. Yeah, bankruptcy offers a lot of benefits, but it also offers some drawbacks for clients. So most people are overwhelmed with debt and find that the benefits vastly outweigh the drawbacks. Let's talk about the benefits first. First and foremost, the most important thing is that under the bankruptcy code, when you file, the instant you file, an automatic stay goes into place. And so the creditors can no longer take any adverse action against you. That happens by what we call by operation of law. And as I say, it happens, if I file your case at 2 a.m. in the morning, it's effective at 2 a.m. in the morning. So that's a huge benefit right there. It also eliminates unsecured debt. So secured debts are like your car and your house and things like that. But an unsecured debt is credit card. And that's what most people struggle with, either credit card debt or medical debt, healthcare debt, things that they've actually charged on credit cards. So that's a huge benefit. Bankruptcy also preserves your property. So if your home that you're either buying or renting is threatened, it will stop that process. In some cases, it will actually eliminate the process. But in all cases, it's a benefit to you in terms of securing your home. Bankruptcy also prevents foreclosure or repossessions. And in particular, if you're behind on a car payment or something like that, we can not only stop the repossession, but frequently get back a car that's already been taken away by virtue of a repossession. So there's a lot of opportunity for you with that as well. Bankruptcy gives you a fresh start. If you're mired in debt, it's a great opportunity to start over again. And I want to just segue for a moment and tell you, if you look in the United States Code, you will see that bankruptcy is referred to as the Fresh Start Law. And the reason it's called a Fresh Start Law is because it wipes out old debts and gives you an opportunity to start life again. And this is not because the United States Congress decided to be generous. It's because the Congress recognized that it's individuals who take a chance in life that actually drive the economy. That's what makes things happen. And so if people said, well, I got in debt, I can't do this anymore, and that's the way they live the rest of their life, then the economy would come to a screeching halt. So this bankruptcy aspect is something that's specifically for the benefit of the economy. You happen to be a beneficiary of that as well. Okay, so there are some drawbacks. Bankruptcy temporarily damages your credit. I will tell you, for most people that have had any kind of unsecured credit that they're behind on, the net effect is actually upward. Most bankruptcies reduce your credit score by about 100 points. But after your bankruptcy is filed, they can no longer count your delinquencies against you. And so most people within a year of bankruptcy see a net increase in their credit score that is significant. One other drawback, you could in fact lose property to some creditors, but one of the things, and we're fortunate here in California, that we have about the third best set of bankruptcy exemptions in the country. And we can protect, by being creative, we can protect almost everything that you own. And certainly I would be upfront with you and help you understand what's at risk and what isn't at risk. And then the final thing I would say that's a negative is that bankruptcy doesn't eliminate all debts. There are certain debts. It's still incredibly hard to discharge student loan debt. And although you may discharge your personal liability on a mortgage, you don't discharge the lien on a mortgage. Certainly a lot of people learned that the hard way in the 2008 collapse. So we have to look at that carefully and see what the net benefit to you is of a bankruptcy. So just to recap, on the plus side, immediately stop any collection efforts, eliminate credit card, medical, other unsecured debts, allow you to keep most of your property, if not all of it. In fact, I will add that 95% of the people who file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy don't lose anything at all. It delays or prevents foreclosure or eviction, and gets you out of debt, gives you a fresh start. but your credit will take a hit for a couple of years. You could lose some non-exempt property, and some debts, specifically student loan debt and some support debts, are not discharged. So that's a quick overview of bankruptcy from here at BottomLine Lawyers. If you got any questions, please feel free to reach out. Our contact information is here with this video. We look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.